Hi there, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am showing you a project that I have done following a tutorial by Karolina from KarolinasKrafts. On the 25th of every month, she and Tiffany from Let's Get Scrappy are doing a collab and making Christmas projects. This was for January 25th's project, and I'll put the link in the description box, which has the tutorial, and I made it based on that tutorial. Of course, little things are different. I used this paper called Silent Night. It's a hot buy paper pad from Michaels, and they Tiffany and Karolina said, you know, if you want to do the same project, just make sure you use the hashtag, so that's what I'm doing. When they first posted this in January, I did not have any Christmas paper, but then I got some Christmas paper on a super duper clearance sale and decided to make some Christmas projects, and then I'll have some stashed for Christmas of 2022. So I made this little folio album. I made it a little bit different because I'm trying to use up scraps, and I had chipboard scraps that are 4 by 8.5, and Karolina used 4.5 by 8.5. Not a big deal, but I did have to change some measurements. I used one of the, I just cut apart, fussy cut one of the patterns. It's got this beautiful skate with some greenery. Then I bubble fussy cut around it with some silver glitter paper, and then I took some of this great paper with the silver metallic stripes on it and also put a backing of some of that silver glitter paper, which is great because the glitter doesn't come off. Don't you love that glitter paper? Alright, and I used just some white ribbon I had in my stash to tie it, and I will take you inside. So it opens up this way. I love this little envelope design that Karolina made. This is held down with a magnet, and this will open to show you this cute little booklet. I've got a little pocket in front, so it's got just some plain paper, some scraps of the card, the pattern paper, and just makes a nice little booklet if you wanted to I don't know, make your shopping list. So that goes right into there, and then this will open up this way, and I just made a little tuck spot with one of the tags that was on one of the cut apart sheets, and that has, I made a tag with one of the scraps again. The pockets I used the snowflake design and put on the front, and that'll open up just to give you just some more room to put photos or journaling or whatever you want. And then there is that, and I thought they are adorable. And then I just took another one of the cut aparts and put it there, and I don't know if you can see, but I added some Nouveau crystal drops. I don't think you can see in the camera, but just to pop it up and add a little dimension. So this side has a little waterfall, and I made it similar to how Karolina did. I did put an eyelet there. I don't remember if she did or not, and I used a punch around the corners, so it'll open like that, so you can put cute little photos from your Instax. And I know she did have this little pocket in the bottom, and another little eyelet with the ribbon coming out, and just a little tag to go in there, and that will go down, and so the ribbon keeps this waterfall closed, which I wish I had some sparkly ribbon, so I'll have to look to pick that up this Christmas. And then this will open up, and there are cute little places to put more tags, and so there are 3 little tags in these 3 little folders for tags. And the tags, of course, I use that beautiful glitter paper and just put it going through that little hole on the top and the bottom. And then on this side I had another little one of those tag cut aparts and another one of those scraps that I made into a tag. So that'll close like that, that'll close like that, and then like that, and then we tie it. Again, I'll show you the side and the back. So there is that. And isn't that cute? Isn't that adorable paper? So I tried to just use winter paper on this. I tried not to have any Christmas trees or ornaments or anything that was Christmassy. I really wanted it just to be winter. There's not, I'll probably next time make Christmas, but I just wasn't in the Christmas mood, so I stuck with winter. So anyhow, thanks for this tutorial, Karolina. This is fabulous. Maybe I'll see what Tiffany makes for this month because it happens to be the 25th. Have a fabulous day.